How to zoom out in Blox Fruits on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'll demonstrate how to easily zoom in and out on a laptop while working with the Blox Fruits. There are three convenient methods to control your zoom. Firstly, if you have a USB mouse, using the scroll wheel is the most effective way to zoom in and out. Alternatively, if you have a trackpad with scroll functions, you can also stimulate a scroll wheel motion on the trackpad to zoom. The next option involves your keyboard. Simply press O to zoom out. Each time you press O, the view will zoom out further. Another method is to press I to zoom in. By repeatedly pressing I, you can zoom in until you reach a first-person view. These three methods provide easy ways to adjust your zoom level on the laptop, whether you have a mouse or a scroll wheel, a trackpad with scroll functions, or simply using O and I keys. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.